Top 10 Computer Repair in Omaha. 1. Ken's PC Repair and Data Recovery, 5. 321 reviews, Deauville DR No. 2. 2. Reboot I.T 5. 249 reviews, Mockingbird Dr. 3. Redeemed Computers, 536 reviews, North 72nd Street. 4. One Repairs LLC, 4.9 443 reviews, St STE 206. 5. Heartland Computer, 4.9 173 reviews, Broadway. 6. Thompson Tech Solutions, 4.9 67 reviews, South 53rd Street. 7. Computer Techs, 4.9 65 reviews, North 76th Street. 8. Omaha Computing Solutions LLC, 4.9 29 reviews, South 67th Street. 9. uBreakiFix Phone and Computer Repair, 4.8 1590 reviews, Wright Plaza Ste 101. 10. uBreakiFix Phone and Computer Repair, 4.8 1312 reviews, Farnam St STE 7103.